I remember always loving cars, and we would travel around a lot, so I've always just enjoyed being in the car, driving around for long periods of time. I get the music playing and really just enjoying the road as it's twisting and turning and just getting that therapeutic movement and that focus. Driving, just like with music, you have to know your tool that you're using. I have to get to know my cello, my bow, how they interact with each other. In the car, I have to get to know how different inputs in the steering can affect things, how it reacts to bumps. So it helps you to learn how to harness what you're using. My name is Dalton Morris, and I'm a music major. I'm studying cello performance and music composition. My parents would always have some sort of music on in the car. My dad always cycle between like Erykah Badu, Santana, the Marleys, Stanley Clarke album. And so like having music in the car, that's always been something that I've had in my life. And I think that's another influence on me being interested in music because it's always been there. I moved here to Fresno in 2017, and so I came in as a junior to University High School and got involved with the youth orchestras and being on campus. I knew this was an option to come in to Fresno State and applied here and got in. I think it's really, really important for the community here in Fresno to see that there's a really strong music program, and there's a lot of people, especially a lot of younger people, that are really passionate about music and that want to show that to the community and beyond. It's a lot of incredible performers, incredible writers that are making incredible music for us. FUSA stands for the Fresno Summer Orchestra Academy. It's a music festival that lasts 2 weeks where we get daily lessons, daily rehearsals, sectionals, and we work on just really incredible music, and then we get to perform it for the world, whether it be the full orchestra, the concerto competition, or smaller chamber groups. We bring in people from all over the world to play some really, really big pieces, and we also get incredible faculty members and performers from all over the world to teach lessons, give different perspectives on playing, and just playing really cool repertoire with so many people from all over. It's just such a cool experience. It's really, really cool. It's like putting an entire semester of work into 2 weeks. So it's a lot more intense, a lot more focused. So you can really engross yourself into the music, just building yourself to be a better performer, a better musician, to appreciate the music that you're playing, get it at a really high level since you're constantly working on it. I really love playing music. I think sharing what you've written and been able to make and then playing it as best you can and showcasing a good piece is a really important thing. When I sit in orchestra rehearsal, the fact that all of us are able to come together and create this huge piece which has so many different layers, everyone working together to create a final product together, a final image, a work of art, it's very, very special.
Immediately on the third measure, after Joe has his entrance, immediately in tempo. Otherwise, we can't take the same time like Joe does or like the horn does in the beginning. We're doing it once and then it goes directly to the tempo. Okay, after.
Grind to get to that performance where you finally showcase it here to the Fresno community and showing like, oh, we've spent so much time perfecting this piece and making it our own, and we're passionate about it and we're ready to show it to everyone. I think that's such an incredible moment. My biggest goal is just to keep doing music, keep performing music, writing music wherever I can, however I can, and Fresno State's really helped with that. I've learned so much more about music than I've known before, and it opened my eyes to music in general. it's still alive and strong, and you can still go into it and keep bringing it to more and more people throughout the community.
Dalton! Oh, little baby. Look at that. That's called the poof. If you didn't know, that's called the poof. I used to have one when I was his age. He's gonna look like me in no time.
Well, my dad still has hair, actually.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Oh, he shaves it so it doesn't.
Sometimes when I have my cello, like after an event or something like that, I want to go on a drive just to clear my mind and enjoy nature. It's really, really surreal because you get the view of the lake sprawling, just huge, and then just you and your sound, the sound of your instrument, for me, the cello, just going out there. There's not much distortion from other things going on. It's just natural sound. It allows your mind to just kind of wander around, and it's just a nice spot to be where you can just let your mind relax and almost be free.